The paper industry by and large has been doing well. One thing good about India is that demand is there always. We are in that phase where because existing consumption is so low, so we keep on growing year on year basis. There are periods where for some moment there could be some slowdown, but by and large demand situation is good for paper industry. Demand front we are quite happy. So basically, the biggest issue before paper industry is the raw material issue. Because all the three sectors, whether it is wood-based or agro-based or recycled-based, the raw material, fibrous raw material has been an issue. We are, as an industry, trying our best for how to overcome this difficulty. But this will remain an issue. And I think in times to come, while the demand would be there, the ever-increasing emphasis on education, general increase in general social standards and standard of living, paper demand would be there, but raw material issues would remain there. Energy front also. So I think through this conference, we are trying our best that how industry could take steps to minimize dependence on various inputs so that we can keep up with increased demands, still making available whatever the resources are with us. No, we are growing at about, I'll say, about 5 to 6% per year. And this growth will remain because number one, the increasing population, increasing emphasis on education. So our estimate is that from present consumption level about 14 million tons, we should be about 20 million tons by 2020, about 25 million tons by 2025. So India would be one country where demand is intact. About 15 million tons, which is the present consumption and the production. We should be about 16 and a half million tons by this year end. That is like it. Right. Thank you. Welcome.